Welcome to the Slow Home Studio. October is Bathroom Design Month, and today we're talking about different ways that you can regulate the humidity in your bathroom.
It's maybe not the sexiest of design topics when we're talking about bathrooms, but if you do not control your humidity, you can have some real problems with your finishes. You can have bubbling drywall like we see right here, and you can have mold, and that's never a good thing.
Yeah, and humidity control is a little bit more sophisticated than simply putting in a bath fan. I mean, that would be the obvious thing you think you need, but you actually have to take it a little step further, and you have to look at how the bath fan is actually vented to the exterior.
That's right. Before 1980, a lot of bath fans just vented right into the attic of a house, so you just took all that hot air and hot, moist air and just pumped it right into the outside, just above your drywall. Not a good thing to do. Nowadays, modern codes say that you have to vent them outside of the building, but you have to make sure that everything is actually doing that, that the vents are properly sealed, and that they're draining the right way so that any moisture drains out of the building and not back into the fan.
Yeah, and typically a bath fan has an on-off switch, but you can upgrade that one step further by adding either a timer or adding a dehumidistat, and both of these are quite different. A timer will just simply extend the amount of time that the bath fan is on, and it will just turn itself off after an interval that you set, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, but it doesn't actually measure the relative humidity inside the bathroom.
No, and a humidistat takes that one step further, a dehumidistat. What it does is it measures the humidity in the air, and then it shuts the fan off when that humidity has dropped below a certain level. Typically, that's between 40 and 50% for most bathroom situations.
Yeah, so here's what a timer looks like. It's typically ganged with a light switch, so it's just a manual mechanism that you just turn and set it to a level. It's a bit of a crapshoot, we said, because you don't really know what the relative humidity is.
But it is better than just having the switch where you manually operate it, where when you're finished in the bathroom, you just turn it off. Most of the time, the fan's got to run a lot longer than that. And many of us don't want to just leave the fan running all day if we happen to leave the house.
Yeah, so, and the best thing probably to do is this dehumidistat. It's got a dial. You set it to the humidity level that you want to be, somewhere between 40 and 50%. This is not something that you adjust all the time. You just simply mount it, preferably higher up in the bathroom ceiling, where it will register that humidity level, and then it will just shut the fan off when it reaches that level.
So remember, humidity is something that you need to take care of in every bathroom.
See you next time.